Peter, what are you doing?
I'm doing Say Anything, but that Peter Gabriel song is too expensive. So this is 1001 wacky sound effects.
You see Dad's quivering delts? That's why we don't skip Delts Day.
What do you think, Lois?
I hate it.
That's okay. That's okay. What about the butt kite?
The butt kite makes it worse. It's an egregious waste of tickets.
Don't sit under the apple tree.
Leave me alone.
I guess we both struck out.
Yeah, would you mind driving me to a series of appointments?